Alright guys, so this is called gulabi chai. So it's a very time-consuming chai that has to be made because you have to stand on it. There's lots of different spices in here. As you can see, there's cardamom, there's cinnamon sticks in here. There's a lot of the open tea leaves that are put in here that actually bring out the flavor as well as the coloring. So this will turn into red. Once you add milk into it, I'm going to show it to you guys, it'll actually turn red. And it's very, very tasty, very, very tasty. But very hard to make, but it's very tasty. Look at that.
Okay guys, so here is the Kashmiri chai. It takes so long to make it. It's already been on the stove for like 2 hours and I think it's pretty much done. We're just adding the final touches. So yeah, putting up a lot.
See how the color comes out? Like you have to just keep going.
Like yeah, but
so Sean, you'll be doing this for the next 1 hour.
what, Mama?
Someone's got to do it. You just got to keep going like this.
So it's bubbling up a lot. You guys can see at one point it bubbled up a lot, like a lot. And wow.
Okay, Sean. So for the next 1 hour, I need you to go like this.
What?
Yeah, that's how the color comes out. So,
Mommy.
Okay. So I guess
Sure.
I'll just do this.
Nah, sure. I'll do it.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, I got this one. Okay, so now this is the final step.
Oh, yeah.
Adding
The water.
Okay, so let's see.
Does it bubble up a lot or no?
Okay.
Oh God, my hand is like, wow.
Move back.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Baby, let me see. Okay, guys, so now this is really the end product of the Kashmiri chai. So now this is the final color. We put inside a tinier pan or patila, I call it. So you put in a smaller patila, and yeah, this is how it looks. It's gonna be super delicious, so I'm happy. This is just making my mouth water.
Okay, let's try it out.